So, guys, welcome back to the Fume Health Podcast. I'm Jagan here, and today's episode might be the one of the most simplest and most practical hacks you have ever heard to fix your periods, your mood, and your hormones, all through seeds.
या सो जगन पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था कि सारी जो लेडीज़ हैं दे यूज टू सिट टुगेदर ड्यूरिंग अमावस्या या फिर पूर्णिमा के टाइम पर बिकॉज दे न्यू कि अवर साइकिल एज वेल एज द मून साइकिल कैन बी synced. So they used to make a herbal mix of different seeds, जैसे sesame, flax, pumpkin, and that is where they were not knowing much about the hormones. They were not knowing much about the lab, but instinctively they knew कि these seeds, ये जो seeds हम लेते हैं, हम talk करते हैं, they are in the sync with the moon, which can help with the fertility, with the mood, with the cycle harmony. And now, with the new technology, new science coming in, science has finally caught up, and we call it now a seed cycling.
I love that word, seed cycling. So, what exactly is this in the modern terms?
Seed cycling basically एक practice है of eating specific seeds during different phases of your menstrual cycle to naturally support your estrogen and progesterone production. जो हमारे टू बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हॉर्मोन्स हैं व्हेन वी कनेक्ट विद द विमेन साइकिल. सो इफ आई थ्रो मोर लाइट ऑन दिस, तो फेज वन हमारा जो मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल है कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू फेजेस. फर्स्ट फेज होता है आपका फॉलिकुलर फेज, जो आपका डे 1 से डे 14 तक रहता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ योर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ योर पीरियड अंटिल योर ओवुलेशन, विच इज टिपिकली डे 1 टू डे 14. तो हमारी बॉडी में क्या होता है, जो एस्ट्रोजन लेवल्स हैं दोज आर बिगिन टू राइज, एंड दैट प्रिपेयर द यूट्रिन लाइनिंग फॉर अ पोटेंशियल प्रेगनेंसी. हमारी बॉडी जो प्रेगनेंसी के लिए प्रिपेयर होती है, एंड द बॉडी इज फोकस्ड ऑन मैच्योरिंग द एग्स इन द ओवरीज. एनर्जी जो है टिपिकली काफ़ी हाई रहती है, और हमारी जो बॉडी है वो ग्रोथ और रिन्यूअल मोड में होती है.
So, that's really very, very important for the females. So, let me know what are the seeds which are really beneficial in this kind of phase.
So very good seeds to have during this phase is your flax seeds, क्योंकि flax seeds के अंदर रहता है lignans, एक फाइटोएस्ट्रोजन है जो हेल्प करता है बैलेंस करने में एस्ट्रोजन को. क्योंकि ना तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा एस्ट्रोजन चाहिए, ना ही हमें टू लिटिल चाहिए. वी ऑल्सो सपोर्ट बैलेंस्ड एस्ट्रोजन लेवल्स. और फ्लैक्स सीड्स जो है वो सपोर्ट करती है एक्स्ट्रा एस्ट्रोजन को फ्लश करने में भी हमारी बॉडी से. सो फ्लैक्स सीड्स इज द नंबर वन विच वी शुड ऐड ड्यूरिंग दिस फेज. सेकेंड कैन बी योर पम्पकिन सीड्स. पम्पकिन सीड्स जो हैं वो रिच हैं आपके जिंक में और सपोर्ट करते हैं आपके प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन प्रोडक्शन को फॉर द नेक्स्ट फेज. सो जिंक इज ऑल्सो क्रूशियल फॉर योर एग डेवलपमेंट एंड ओवुलेशन.
I mean, that's quite important, especially for the ladies who are trying to conceive, right? What do you
Yeah.
say about
And
it?
this is vital for women with estrogen dominance also. जैसे किसी को
Hmm.
अगर पीसीओएस है, पीएमएस सिम्टम्स हैं, फाइब्रॉइड्स हैं, तो पंपकिन सीड्स जो है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं. इट प्रिपेयर्स द बॉडी फॉर ओवुलेशन बाय सपोर्टिंग द एग क्वालिटी, और रिड्यूस करता है आपको ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस को बॉडी में. सो
Got it.
अगर मैं आपको
Hmm.
एक एग्जांपल दूं, आई हैड दिस क्लाइंट रिसेंटली. शी इज 27-year-old and had PCOS and irregular periods, heavy bleedings. So we started her with the seed cycling with flax and the pumpkin seeds during the phase one. And by the third cycle, not only उनके जो periods हैं वो regular हुए, but जो heavy bleeding होती थी वो भी significantly जो है कम हुई, indicating that her estrogen levels are normalized now. ओके. और फेज टू पे हम क्या करते हैं, फेज टू होता है हमारा ल्यूटियल फेज, जो चालू होता है आपका डे 15 से डे 28, और यू कैन से दैट फुल मून टू न्यू मून तक. ओके. एंड दैट इज वाई एंशियंट टाइम में लेडीज जो है मून से कनेक्ट करती थी अपने साइकिल को. ओके. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द साइकिल फ्रॉम ओवुलेशन टू द नेक्स्ट पीरियड, टिपिकली डे 15
Hmm.
डे 28. तो इस टाइम पे हमारी जो बॉडी है वहां पर जो है प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन इंक्रीज होता है. अनदर हार्मोन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हार्मोन, इज द प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन, जो इंक्रीज होता है टू स्टेबलाइज द यूट्रिन लाइनिंग और काम करता है हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम को. एंड इफ द प्रेगनेंसी डजंट हैपन, बोथ एस्ट्रोजन and progesterone drops down, leading to menstruation. And that is how this is the process of menstruation actually. So this phase is very sensitive. लो प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन है तो दैट कैन लीड टू पीएमएस, एंजाइटी, ब्रेस्ट टेंडरनेस, ब्लोटिंग, मूड स्विंग्स, ये कुछ सिम्टम्स हमें दिखने लग जाते हैं एंड दैट शोज कि प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन लेवल्स जो हैं काफी लो हैं एंड दैट्स वेयर वी गेट दिस। तो इस स्टेज पर जो हमें सीड्स यूज करने होते हैं वो रहता है आपका सिसमे सीड्स, जो आप 1 टेबल स्पून जो है पर डे आप यूज कर सकते हो एंड सिसमे इज अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम एंड लिग्नेंस विच हेल्प सपोर्ट प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन लेवल्स और हार्मोन बाइंडिंग में, एंड इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स जिंक एंड विटामिन सी। दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट जो सीड है वो है आपका सनफ्लावर सीड विच इज हाई इन सेलेनियम, जो सपोर्ट करता है आपको लीवर को सपोर्ट करता है इन डिटॉक्सिफाइंग एक्सेस हॉर्मोन्स और आपकी इन्फ्लामेशन को भी कम करता है। ओके, तो
Okay.
इफ आई टेल यू दैट व्हाई दिस वर्क्स, कैसे ये सीड्स काम करते हैं, सो दीज सीड्स हेल्प इंक्रीज नेचुरल प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन प्रोडक्शन जो एसेंशियल रहता है एक हेल्दी बैलेंस ल्यूटियल फेस के लिए। एंड प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन जो है एक नेचुरल एंटी एंजाइटी और एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी हार्मोन भी है। तो सनफ्लावर सीड्स सपोर्ट करते हैं हमारे थायराइड फंक्शन को और लीवर डिटॉक्स को भी, जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारी हार्मोनल हेल्थ के लिए।
Can
ओके,
you give an example of, let's say, somebody in 30s, how actually they can get benefited by this process, especially if they have PMS, they have bloating problems, those kind of are very common in ladies 35, 40s kind of
yeah.
thing. So can you
Yeah.
tell more about that?
So I had this client who was 35-year-old working as a teacher, and she was struggling with the bloating, mood swings, and emotional crashes before her periods. And generally, as you mentioned it rightly, most of the women struggle with this. So after 6 weeks of seed cycling with sesame, sunflower seeds during the luteal phase, her PMS symptoms dropped by 80%. Okay, and her husband also even noticed she was more chilled, relaxed the week before her periods. Otherwise the swings, the cravings all starts coming in, and that is all because of the hormonal imbalances.
Quite interesting. Happy hours for the ladies.
Yeah.
Sounds like every lady should be doing this. So tell me who this is really important or ideal for.
Yeah. So it is best for the women with irregular or delayed periods, women with PCOS, PMS, or mood swings, acne, or women with estrogen dominance or low progesterone. Okay. For the teenagers also, but they should be, it should be under guidance with if they are struggling with hormonal acne or painful periods, and perimenopausal or menopausal women as well, syncing the
Mhm.
cycle with the moon cycle, and that's where they can be benefited out of it.
All right. So let me know about ladies. We're talking about so far 30s, 40s kind of thing, right? So how about the ladies after 50 when they have already reached the menopause? So they have more symptoms of those, right? With the
Hmm.
estrogen dominance and everything. How will
Yeah.
you go about that?
Yeah. So absolutely, in menopausal women, seed cycling helps. It reduces your hot flashes, night sweats, which is very
Mhm.
common in menopausal women. And as estrogen levels drop down, so it also impacts our bone density. But when we take care of the seed, when we do this seed cycling, when we add the right nutrients, it supports our bone density also. Okay, so since they don't have a period, we use the moon cycle. Now how to figure out that when they should start their seed cycling? So we sync it again, going back to the ancient stage, connecting with the moon cycle. Since they don't have a period, we use the moon cycle. New moon
Mhm.
to full moon, flax plus pumpkin seeds, then full moon to new moon, sesame plus sunflower seeds, and it's a gentle support without giving HRT.
Yeah, that's quite interesting. You can do it naturally without going for
But
therapy and
but but
everything.
but there is a catch as well, Jagan.
Mm.
People with seed allergies, especially sesame, sunflower flax, or any seeds, we need to be little careful, because seed allergies can cause reactions ranging from mild itching to severe. If allergic to multiple seeds, so focus on anti-inflammatory foods and supplements instead. Like for example, omega-3 or zinc rich foods like lentils, selenium from Brazil nuts, in case if they are allergic to the seeds. And second, people who are on the blood thinners. Okay.
Mm.
Some seeds, especially flax or seeds, may have mild natural blood thinning properties also. So we need to be careful in those cases as well. And people with severe gut or digestive issues like IBS or ulcerative colitis, bloating, constipation, or gas, or weak gut lining or leaky gut syndrome. So we need to be little, careful when we are doing the seed cycling.
So that's quite interesting with all this, fixing your IBS and bloating, all these problems, gut problems. Can you give an example of how this has really worked when you start working with the clients, and understand their thing, right? How you fix these kind of things?
Absolutely, absolutely. So, there was a girl who was 29 year and she was a lawyer from Mumbai, came to us with no periods for 5 months, struggling with PCOS, severe acne, PMS, anxiety, sugar cravings. So we had put her on seed cycling, okay, and a low inflammatory meal plan. Along with that, we introduced light yoga and gut support. And within weeks, her cycle returned. And by 3 months, acne gone, moods balanced, and she said, "I feel like myself again without a single medicine." Okay, so that's the
Great,
magic.
new version.
Yes, so that's a magic when we apply the right nutrients in our health, in our life.
Awesome, awesome. But this seed cycling is pretty, it's pretty different for many people. People don't have an idea. There's a lot of new people are watching this video. So how do you recommend that they should go about it? What is the first step they need to take about that?
Yeah. So definitely, buy organic as far as possible. Go with the organic seeds like flax or, pumpkin, whatever we have discussed, those seeds. Go with the organic one. Grind them fresh or soak them overnight. That also improves your absorption level. Start on day one of your period or new moon if the periods are irregular. And stick to it daily for 2-3 cycles for noticeable results. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही cycle में आपका सब कुछ normal हो जाएगा. It will take time. These are not magical pills. They are actually the nutrients which works from inside. Okay, so you can also add these seeds to your smoothies, oatmeal, or homemade laddus, or roti, atta, or chutney, whatever way you want to consume them. And okay, and then you will
Mm.
start noticing the shifts in your mood, cravings, and even sleep quality. So if I tell you, Jagan, the final thing, or I will leave the audience with this one thing, is that hormone balance always doesn't need a prescription. It needs a rhythm, nourishment, and attention. So seed cycling is like realigning your body with the nature, one spoon at a time.
Yeah, it's very connecting to nature, connecting back to your roots,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
really makes sense. And I really love that. Now, if you really want to reset your hormones, you want to balance your, hormones, and you want to regulate your periods, prepare for fertility, especially the ladies who are watching this video for, preparing for yourself for conceiving, start right away with this method. And if you need any help, click on the link in the description and join for our 2 days metabolic reset bootcamp. See you in the bootcamp.
Yeah, thank you.